Final detail and part mirroring. What we're going to do is add a new sketch onto this surface here and this surface here on the inner side there. We're going to add some circles for locating pins to go into cylinders. So firstly, what we're going to do is add a new sketch. We're going to add that new sketch on this surface here, and if we press N on our keyboard, that normalizes, in other words, a 2D view. We're going to use the circle tool and just draw a circle, dimensioning the circle to be 7 millimeters, and from the center of the circle to the center point of our block. I'm going to drag a measurement there and change that one to be 12.5. I'm going to repeat that, but this time drag my measurement vertically up there and change that one to be 18.5. That gives us our circle in exactly the right position. However, there is an ever so slight potential issue that you may face depending on whether or not your block could be shelled with these little small fillets on, or whether or not you had to remove them and add them afterwards. I will show you what I mean. So now, going through the tutorial, I'm asked to extrude this circle 6 millimeters. So let me show you. I'll do this. So here's the extrude tool. I'm going to select my work. I'm going to choose 6, and I'm going to choose the opposite direction. Okay, and I want to not add a new one, but add it to my work. Now, as soon as I have selected add, so adding the material to what already exists, you notice it's gone red. Red is bad, okay, because red is bad because it's suggesting there's an error. And the reason why there is an error is because this new extrusion is colliding with this extrusion that was already there, and the computer doesn't know, or the software doesn't know how to solve that problem. So I'm just going to cancel what I'm doing. The reason for that error is because of this edge here not being rounded when I did my shell. So I'm going to add a fillet of 0.5 to that edge, and while I'm at it I'll do the opposite edge, and while I'm at it I'll do that edge, so they're all the same, and accept. In my model tree, this is what I've just done. I want to just drag it above the sketch, okay, as though in time it happened before I'd drawn that. Now, when I go to extrude by 6 millimeters my circle and add my material, notice this time it goes green. It goes green because it's joining to the material. So once it does that, we can accept our work like so. Now what we want to do is do that on the other face, this face here, with exactly the same measurement.